All right, so check out this reading lamp from Honeywell. If you are looking for a light that you can really contort and twist how you want, look at this one right here. So you have your on-off switch, now it's on, it's very bright. If you're reading, maybe that's too bright, you can actually press that button and make it a little bit dimmer, a little bit more warm. Maybe have a mix between the two right there, and then have your full white brightness. This thing can lift straight up. You can really bend it how you want, and it stays. It's really cool because it's got a really solid base to it. So right here is where you can start contorting it, and you can manipulate it to do what you want, how you want, and even if it's like a key light, this would actually be a really great key light because it's not in the way, and it's shining down instead of at my glasses like you would see a normal key light. So you see the reflection there, but if I have it up and shining down, that actually works. But as far as a reading light, this would be great because yeah, you can just easily just move it how you want, right next to your bed or next to your chair. It's really nice and good quality as well. Really sleek white design. It feels all like all made together. So really high quality. You're gonna love it. I highly recommend this thing. I like this a lot. So thanks for watching.